Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Now, we're going to get right into it, okay? So, we are in crypto bubbles here. We are going to look and see what's going on. So, this looks completely different than it did just a few days ago. Pretty much everything is in the red today on the daily, besides stacks, and we have BGB the BitGet token. So yeah, we have Hex up just a little bit. We have Cosmos Atom up just a little bit. I think what is that? The Flare, is that the Flare token? Yeah, Flare token. Yeah, just little projects up, not up just a little bit. But then we have Sue still down. Sue was a layer one blockchain that just released recently with a lot of insider VC capital investors that probably just dumped everything right when they got their tokens. So cool. Pepe's down 20%. What else? Let's see. And let's look at the Pepe chart. So if we were to look at the Pepe chart and check it out here for a second, we'll go right into it. Let's see. See, we had a big pump, 41%, and then had a little bit of a down, then up 9%, up 13%. So we had a really nice climb here. As you can see, from here, had a good over 112% run right there. Then we had a recovery right here, or not a recovery, but a downtrend where it went down to about, spun down 40%. Now we're kind of going down just a little bit still, not too much. We're seeing about a 27% downturn. But if we're looking at the pattern here, you can see that there might still be opportunities to trade into this on the short term. I don't know about long term. You know, the only way that we're going to get to, you know, like SHIB and Doge levels if we start getting into the multiple billions market cap. So right now we are looking at oh, did CoinMarketCap switch up how they list their tokens now? Whoa, hold on. What is this? This is new. Hold the phone. So let's see here. So yeah, if we click on, they just switched this up on us. Hold the phone. Let's check this out real quick. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Where did Pepe go? Where did Pepe go? Let's find Pepe. Where did Pepe go? Where are you at? There it is. Okay, Pepe. Yeah, market cap was over $1 billion. Now it's at 874 million. We're down 21% on the day. And yeah, so if we're looking at the levels of what SHIB is right now, SHIB is at a $5 billion market cap, but it took a little bit to get there. So basically, when Coinbase listed Shiba, we can see that the market cap started to just fly. So it increased a couple billion, because then once it hit the Coinbase community, it just started to take off. So we could see that with Pepe. We could see that with some of the other meme coins. It's all about supply and demand. The demand for it, if it's there, then it's there. So yeah, we're gonna look on. Let's see what's going on in Crypto Potato. The most recent articles here. So over 75% of daily Bitcoin on-chain transactions use Taproot. So what's happening right now is that people are layering stuff on Bitcoin and using Bitcoin as a settlement layer with these BRC-20 tokens. And so basically NFTs on Bitcoin. And what it's doing is slowing the transaction hash and clogging up the network. So almost just like how Ethereum has massive congestion when there's big NFT craze and there's a lot of transactions happening, it gets bogged up, the transaction fees get super high, and that's what can happen. So what we're looking at here, so Taproot behind Bitcoin's heavy activity. Glassnode data suggests more than 75% of Bitcoin on-chain transactions use Taproot on May 7th. This is a record high when compared to only 1.5 of the beginning of the year. So Taproot is a way to settle Bitcoin transactions on top of the layer. The surge in Taproot's adoption prompted the rise in network traffic, and in fact, the transaction counts increased more than two two times compared to the 2022 baseline, according to Glassnode co-founder. The executive revealed that this figure had remained in a stable range of around 250,000 transactions per day throughout the last year. This provided an all-time high of 490,000 daily transaction dates back to the 2017 bull market. So this is bullish despite heightened volatility. Meanwhile, there are currently over 455,000 transactions waiting to be confirmed in the Bitcoin's meme pool. While the network congestion can be attributed to the rise in ordinals inscriptions, this nevertheless ignited concerns over potential denial of service attack on the network. So Binance, for one, was forced to halt BTC withdrawal, citing the large volume of pending transactions. So it's a good thing and it's also a bad thing. It shows that Bitcoin does still have some work to do when it comes to settling these transactions. I think that's why people are trying to put a layer on Bitcoin. But I think that it's just, I don't know if it's a good idea when you really break down into the technological side of it. It just makes more sense to have things like this on a network that can handle the throughput. So I'm sure you guys can understand that as well. So something else to keep in mind is that when we do see the mass adoption, real mass adoption of Bitcoin, we're going to see how this plays out. So we'll see how this goes. And I think that's when the Bitcoin Lightning Network is really gonna take hold, and we're gonna see some good things with that. So we're gonna look at DeFi Llama real quick. We're gonna look at the total value locked in rankings. Total value locked right now, we got 12 billion locked up in Lido DAO. We got MakerDAO at 7 billion. We have Aave, we got Curve Finance, we got Uniswap. Now Uniswap is the fifth, and there's a reason for this because of all of the different liquidity pools and all the things that Uniswap has been building up for years, up to their version 3. Then we got JustLend, we got Convex Finance, we got Coinbase Wrapped Staked ETH. That is the liquid staking. We got Pancake Swap, Compound Finance. So this is a good tool to use to just kind of see where all the money is, where all the things are, and what percentage of yields these staking protocols and dApps are offering right now. The highest percentage of staked ST ETH, which is the ST ETH that you would get if you staked your ETH on Lido DAO, would be up to almost 5%. It's 4.8%. So, and then something like GMX, if you have wrapped Bitcoin, ETH, USD DAO, things like that, you could potentially get up to 22%. All right, so we're going to look at just the main market here, and we are going to just see how the overall market is looking. Bitcoin is under 28K. It's 27,782. I think this is a great time to buy. We're going to see some spikes here in the next couple weeks. We got Ethereum. Ethereum is going to be spiking over $2,000 here pretty soon. It's at 1,856. We got BNB at $316. BNB is holding actually fairly strong, still really good in that $300 upper range. And then we got XRP at 43 cents. We got Cardano at 36 cents. So which is interesting with Cardano, this was following XRP really closely around that 43-cent range. So we could see Cardano go right back to that 43 cents, which would be on the 7-day up 5%. And yeah, so we're looking good. We're looking good. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Just giving you a little update, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.